inyong mga sarili for being patient. Yes. Meron ata sa inyo nag-text sa mga boss nila na hindi sila papasok bukas. Oo. But are we ready for episode 9 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3? Nakasan pa natin, handa na ba tayo sa semifinals? Yes, this is our biggest crowd yet sa Apoteca. So yes, amoy putok tayo in 30 minutes. Okay lang yon. Pero enjoyin natin ang gabing ito dahil nga malapit nang matapos ang season 3. Isigaw nyo nga ang pangalan ng winner picks nyo. Go! May narinig ako, Gigi Caliente. Okay. Tama naman. But yes, nandito tayo sa ating viewing party. Maraming salamat for being with us. Also, taking this time to appreciate, meron tayong group dito na merong bridal shower. Yes, ang ating bride-to-be na si Demi. Yes. So everybody say, happy birthday, Demi! Maraming salamat sa pagpondo ng kabaklaan, okay? Siya na ang bagong mag-uplift ng drag industry, okay? Okay, but handa na ba tayo? Yeah! Okay, so para sa first time sa aming show, we do one set of performances, we play the episode, we do a quick Q&A, then maybe a break, it all depends, and then set 2 ng performances. But you know, it's a live show, so baka biglang maiba yung program. Maghintay lang kayo. Okay, pero simulan na natin ang mga drag performances. Are we ready? Alright, ang ating unang magpa-perform ay ang aking co-host, ang aking co-founder, yes, at of course, siya ang most recently na-eliminated. We're all sad for it. But you know what? That's okay kasi sobrang dami ng airtime ang lala, di ba? Please welcome, starting the show, the one and only Mix Chanel. Palakpakan natin, birthday girl, Mix Chanel! March pa yung birthday ko, may pa-confetti sila doon, di ba nga? So, guys, palakpakan nyo naman, Mix Chanel top 6! top 6 ng Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
At least I'm a top in something. Charot!
So, ang gusto kong malaman, kamusta ka naman after the very eventful week last week?
No, of course, like, I thought I had gone through, like, my own processing, therapizing about it. But when you see it on screen, it's a little more disappointing than you remember it to be. So, alam mo yun, I just needed some time to, like, take a step back, reassess, sit with my emotions, and sit with my emotions.
Yes, and now she is ready to just, you know, take it to the next level. Walang
Debatable.
connection yan. But bago ang lahat, total may pinagtandaanan siya. Bigyan niyo siya ng pera, guys. Pera always cures everything, okay?
Hello po, namamalimos po ako. Wala na po akong chance at 1 million pesos. Utang na loob, ibigay nyo na. Top 6 lang, be. Hindi man lang finalist. Charles.
Bigyan niyo po siya ng pera. So, para sa first timer sa aming show, the tips here happen after a performance. You can give cash, you can give
Gcash po, tumatanggap po akong Gcash.
Andito ang QR natin. Ayan. Correct. Ayan. Maraming pera.
Oh my God!
Long lost friend na yan. Ngayon lang sila nagkita. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng pera dito. Ayan. Ang dami-daming tao tonight. Nakakatuwa. Hello sa mga nasa taas. Yes.
Thank you sa bridal party.
Oo, ang dami nagmamakaawa for tickets tonight. So, mahal kayo ng Diyos, okay?
Mga anak kayo ni Lord.
Correct.
Ipagpe-pray po kayo ni Zimba. Ay, hindi
Yes.
yun shade ng OA nyo, magdadasal lang, shade agad.
Correct. Sino ditong mahilig magdasal? Wala, nandito ka dun. Malamang hindi. Oo. Yes, QR and also for all the performers later after the performance, we are going to flash their QR code. So if gusto niyo magbigay ng 10,000 pesos, pwede via the QR code. Alright.
Maraming salamat po. Okay na yun. Okay na ako. Charis. Pera lang pala katapat.
Pera lang ang katapat. But, you know,
That's so cute. Thank you so much. Ipapa-frame ko to, sabi ko sa kwarto, promise.
so, I guess this night is maybe a little extra special because we don't have any finale plans yet. So, there is a chance that this is the last viewing party of the season.
A chance, but
chance.
abangan natin. Kasi kami nag-aabang din.
Correct. So, savor this moment because you might just be the luckier few pa who will get to do the last viewing party of the season. Okay?
But let's not get too sad and let's move on to more pasabog drag performances, yes?
Ang ating sunod na performer ay galing sa kabilang channel.
Correct! Balita ko gabi na pero meron tayong noontime showing for this next performance.
Yes, please welcome the winner of Drag Dance Season 2, the one and only
Taysha!
ang bewang, huwag kayway ang kamay. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat magsama-sama. Tayong lahat magsama-sama. Tayong lahat magsama-sama.
Please give it up for Meme Vice Ganda!
Buti naman napaulakan ng ano, Meme. Alam, picture with Meme.
Picture with Meme, oh, di ba? Queer icons, di ba? Yan. Meme Vice and Alice Mo.
Kailangan mo kalaya.
Palakpakan natin si Deja.
Maninila po siya para sa manok. Bigyan niyo po siya ng
Bro,
manok.
manigil ka na.
500 per
500. But yes, guys, bigyan po natin ng tips si Deja. Ayan, kailangan niyo daw punuin to.
Ayan, punuin niyo po ang kanyang tip box. Ayok!
Hoy, mag-hasig yun! Na-scam na nga ako.
Ibayad niyo na lang yung french fries niyo. Pwede na.
Ay, hindi ko nabigyan ng chicken. Dahil sa mga dyan.
Of course, nakadilaw din siya dahil McDonald's ito.
Correct. Much malaki.
Much malaki. Correct. Also, McDonald's has been our food sponsor all season long. Palakpakan natin. Pinapakain nila kami mga baliti.
If you haven't tuned in, back in June, we released a very special Pride episode with McDonald's.
Yes.
Featuring myself, Eat Baby, Fee Palmos, and a very prestigious panel of guest judges.
Correct.
Guest judges.
Ang laki na nalagay ng pera. Okay.
Boom, karaka.
Correct. Parang masarap makita si Deja sa Drag Race din, eh.
Actually,
Diba? No?
feeling ko pag si DJ na-cast, finally makikita na natin si Meme sa Drag Race.
Correct, finally.
Sa Snatch Game.
Sa Snatch Game.
Ayan, uuwi na po yung Baguio. Diretso Baguio.
Okay na, ang dami 1,000, no?
Bakit may nag-tip ng chicken McDo? Ito 1,000 daw tong meal. Charing.
But yes, palakpakan natin sa Drag Dance Season 2. The current reigning queen. Palakpakan natin Deja, everyone. Thank you, Deja. Yes. Oh, sige pa. Kasi yung french fries niya kanina panis. So, pahingi daw sa inyo.
Kapalit daw ng chicken.
Papalit ng chicken. Okay. Ang ating sunod na performer, medyo na-preview niya kanina dahil pinerform niya ang Huwag Kang Pabebe.
Oo nga eh.
Oo. Gusto niyo ba ng kabonding, ha?
Isa pa nga sino gusto ng kabanding?
We are excited to have on our show, andito siya ulit, ang pinakamahal ng masa. Walang kabasher-basher. Walang bahid ng hate kasi lahat nalipat sa kanya. Charing!
Ito, Miss Congeniality to.
Correct!
Charing.
Please welcome
Jay Quinn!
Britney Spears, si Kimchi Spears. Yeah.
Magaya ka naman ng bonding.
O, di ba? O, mag-sorry kayo lahat sa mga, kung inaway nyo siya nung episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mag-sorry kayo lahat, Charina. Para natin take win, everyone. So, get your point? Nandiyan ang kanyang QR.
Yeah.
Yan.
Bigyan niyo po siya ng pera pambili ng kabanding.
Para afford mo na makipag-banding, di ba? Tama.
Correct.
Diba hindi mo kailangan ng mic? Hi guys!
Diba? Mabait siya in person. I
Depende.
think.
Depende ba nabihin ng tipo ba ito?
Bigyan niyo ng
Pwede
pera.
daw po nabigyan daw ng pera.
Oh, correct. Yes. Ito ang QR ni Jay Quinn. Yes.
May nanalaka ako sa malaki tao.
Bakit?
Sa malaki kalaki malaki.
Kunyari narinig natin. Hindi ko naiintindihan, sis. Daming pera, oh. Oh.
Ipet mo na sa damit.
Balakbakan natin ulit, Jay Quinn. Nasa episode 9 siya. Diba? So, who knows?
Mga bad trip ulit kayo.
Palakpakan natin, Jay Quinn, everyone. Okay. Okay na? Alright. In fairness, ha?
And our next performer, ngayon nakalan tayo, reverse chronological order ng mga nabash.
Ng mga nabis.
Ang pinakaunang bunot sa aming season.
Kinrucify niyo siya nung episode 1.
Tapos may episode 3, mahal niyo na siya.
Ang hirap yung kabanding sa babola. Please welcome
Versus!
Sa namang taglay, sila'y maakit.
for Versace.
Yes! Ang sana niya ang kaftan, di ba? Inagaw niya ang kaftan ni Tita Baby. Palangkap, picture niyo naman, di ba?
Kinabaan lang kayo.
Oo, di ba?
Mani-mani ka.
Oo. Oo.
Marikin, mainhin.
Okay.
Ano
Ayan.
pang ba?
Picture niyo siya yan. Ano pa? Mahinhin, ano pa ba?
Marikit,
Masikip, mabait,
masarap,
mahilig mag-jakol. Okay. Palakpakan natin verse 6, everyone. Actually, babalik ka rin doon kasi kailangan mo na kumuha ng pera.
Oh my God!
Ayan, mabubuhayan na siya.
Bigyan niyo naman.
mukha lang siyang mayaman pero hindi pa naka-ROI yan. Charis!
Real. Oh my gosh, you're so
Na-excite na ba kayo makita si verse 6 sa episode 9? Diba?
The most iconic pork chop is back on your screen, babes.
Correct. Sino dito ang part na ng kanilang daily expression ng I love that for you?
And I love for you and for me.
Correct, di ba? Talaga nga naman, ano siya?
Sino dito ang mga na-inspire ng breakdown saglit? Jumbo na ulit, bounce back ulit. Okay na yun.
Okay na yun. Ayan, meron ba ang pure liver? Ayan dito.
Sa mga nasa 21st section, Gcash lang, please scan the QR code of
Mamaya meron tayong freeway lip sync ng Miss Manila. Yes. Featuring Ver, Mix, and Deja. Yes.
Pero isa lang talaga yung taga Manila City.
Correct. Ayan. Palakpak, ayan.
Give ko!
Ikaw ang tunay na taga Manila kasi anong address mo?
The real deal. 2036 M Plaza Usil sa Taan ng Barangay 884. Gandang Manila niya, Barangay 884 na po. Like 69 sa Balot.
Siya ang nanalo, rebonded hanggang bulbul mo.
Palakpakan natin, Ver. Ay, ate na 1,000.
Amin na to.
Ano na yan? Ver na yan. Samgyup, chicken, milk tea.
Okay. Alright. Everybody having a great time so far? Alright, let's
From one fan favorite to another.
Yes, punta naman tayo sa Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Please welcome!
Parang hindi ka excited sa mga para sa Drag Race Philippines Season 2?
Ito na ang Power Count na Bratz from Marikina City. Please welcome!
Miss Jade Song! na. Charot!
Hi, Jade!
Ika nga power topped by Nanda Bratzi.
Diba?
Kami, she promote mo lang yung single.
May bago siyang single.
I'm inviting you all to stream.
Again, hindi nila gets. Isa pa.
I am inviting you all to the Vortex and stream.
Ganun lang, right? Palakpakan natin, Miss Jade. So, diba? Hold upin mo na sila, dear.
Ayan. So, habang naka-hold up ako, where's my tip? Ayan. So, habang naka-hold up ako, tatanungin ko kung anong
Anong?
may quiz night. Ano
Oh.
ang favorite nyong lyric sa Power Top na Bratzi?
Ang favorite ko doon yung boom to ring.
Boom to ring. Tinap ko si Bading. Ganon.
Diba?
Hello! Congratulations, kakasal ka na.
Guys, napanood niyo yung interview ni Jade with Michelle Visage? Grabe, no?
Yes.
Siguro sabi ni Michelle, putang ina, ano to? That is what we're all experiencing and we love that so much.
Can't confirm may kakaibang hangin sa Marikina talaga.
I think esoteric din si Michelle.
Correct.
Because we understood each other.
Oh.
Because you are her.
I am Michelle. Michelle is me. And we are all one within. Natatandaan niyo ba nung tinanong niyo ako na dito yun sa Buchanan? Tinanong niyo ako kung ano masasabi ko kay Michelle.
Oh, ano masasabi mo?
And I just wanna say na na-answer ko na yun.
So, tapos na.
Siya mismo ang lumapit sa akin para masagot ko ang inyong katanungan. Because before, actually, hindi ko talaga siya na-answer
Sige.
dito kasi nahihiya ako.
Sige.
Kasi I was a shy girl, pero I was a shy girl, pero
Naniniwala ba kayo she's a shy girl?
Yeah.
huwag niyong tignan yung katawan ko. I'm a shy girl. Oh my God.
Don't look at her! Don't look at her!
Oh my God! At hindi
Ang inakyat niya talaga yung mic.
Yung mic!
hindi makakaligtas ang mga taga-Vortex dahil kayong mga nandyan sa void. Nakuhaan ko na ng pera.
Okay, so may bago na tayo
Vortex.
Ticketing scheme. Void Vortex. So,
Yes. A vortex is equivalent to heaven in human language. And in Sudanese,
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
in Sudanese, the hell, we call it void. So be careful of what you are manifesting. Lagi yung tinitweet, this is my way to the void, and this is my way to the void. And di napunta kayo sa hell. But pwede din naman yun. Ika nga alternative human kayo. Kung may mga alternative drag queens, may alternative beings din, which is you. And you are me, so I am a diabla. Thank you so much.
palakpakan natin Miss Jade. So,
This is my way
To the backstage.
to the vortex. Ilawan mo ako.
palakpakan natin Jade. So,
The ascension of Miss Jade.
correct.
Whenever we give her a mic, we never know what to expect.
Correct. Speaking of,
Parang mali na yata yun. Charing.
pakipatay na po yung mic. Baka kung anong marinig namin doon. Okay? Pakipatay. Okay na.
Marinig niyo si Miss Jade.
Okay. Funny siya, no? In person. Diba? Nasa to ng hosting challenge, no?
Nasa void. Nasa
nyo. Our next performer needs no introduction.
Sakto lang.
Please welcome Marina Sina. Yes!
Hi, President.
Putang ina, angat buhay program. First of all, everybody say thank you, Marina.
You're welcome, and that's real. Not just real, hard-earned. Hard-earned.
So,
Makatikim lang man lang kayo ng kaunting karamihan sa buhay. By the way, totoo yan, sinecheck talaga nila yung serial number, oh.
May V-Light ba dyan?
Pwede yung i-print, ay tatlo talaga yung kinuha niya. Siya yung may lakas ng loob magtingin ng serial number.
but yes, ito ay tips from all over the world,
Oo,
right?
so ang hirap magpapalit. So, from the world, back to you. Mas malakas man ang dolyares, mas malaki yung palitan sa atin.
Yes.
So we win in some other ways.
Correct. Palakpakan natin ang bagong Secretary ng Department of Economics.
Correct. At pag ipopost nyo yung video, #Marina gives back.
Correct.
Yes, ika nga doing the least, giving the most. No, honestly, like, I'm just so happy to be back. I was supposed to be here last September, episode 5. I was supposed to be here, but sadly, na-stuck ako sa bangko, nagpapapalit ako dapat na. Sabi na, kailangan po namin 3 valid IDs and everything. So, natanong din ako kung saan siya galing. Sabi ko, sige, uwi na lang ako. So yun, at least dito, I'm back. And yeah, thank you for this energy. What kind of men come back?
Yes. And before we start, what a year you've had. Right?
Oh, correction, not even a year.
Yes. So, I mean, UK versus the world, Miss Universe, a cream silk campaign.
Not to mention a world tour.
World tours, several tours. So, ano ba ang last stops mo for the rest of the year? Saan ka pupunta?
I'm going to be headlining the Honolulu Pride with Sasha Kobe and The Fury. And then, after nun, diretso kami ng Taiwan with an amazing all-Asian excellence cast with Manila Luzon, Anitra, Kimchi, Pangina, Nempia, myself, and Christine Tiara. And then after that, I will fly straight to Australia with Katya, Morphine, not Bounce reminding me, Queen Kong, Mirage, Morphine, and All-Stars winner, Algeria. And then after that, South America naman.
October 10.
Then after that, basta na! Yeah, sana meron malaking mangyari sa end ng taon na to. No?
Yes.
Yes.
And siguro one last, early next year sa UK.
Canton.
Oh, yes. I will be back in the... Ang init dito, no? Can you, alam ko nagbayad ka, pero, ayan. Okay, thank you, salamat, babe. Ayun yung pinapost mo sa YouTube.
Yeah.
Oo, ang dami nakakapanood sa atin, tsaka sa mga kabaguhan natin. Anyways, ano yung sasabihin ko? Oh yes, I will be joining UK tour in January to March, a drag panto, yes. Medyo theater siya na lasingan, oo. And I will play Glinda. So, Wizard of Oz drag panto. So, hindi ako hingi ng tips kay Mix, so kayo mag-alala. Charot lang. Hingi ako
Okay
ng
lang, binigyan mo naman ako ng tips.
No, I love mix. Yun, from one Glinda to another, let's conquer the world.
Yes. And that is it. We're going to start the episode, so I'm gonna call the rest of the season 3 queens to make their way to the couch. Marina, I know you're gonna watch the international.
Thank you, everybody. Have fun.
Okay, of course, kailangan natin unahin the lady of the hour.
Kiana with a K. As in sabi nyo ba, karapat dapat na top 4. Alexis!
Everybody say congrats, Kiana!
Congrats with a K.
Congrats with a K. Pakita mo na. Ayun, ano ba? Ano ba sabihin ko? Actually, it feels... Hindi ko correct. I feel like I'm dreaming right now kasi dati, pinapangarap ko lang talaga to siya. Tapos ngayon nasa top 4 tayo. And hindi na naman ako nag-join dahil gusto ko, dahil din talagang may pinapatunayan din talaga ako na ang mga provincial or should I say regional leagues ay kaya. Kaya yun na naman. Thank you. Just
Now, you know, you've been sitting on this secret for months now. So
Yeah.
finally, alam na ng mundo.
natapor ako. Yun pa lang. Okay.
Yun ang sabihin ko.
Okay, thank you.
Grab. So, isipin mo, I remember last year, no binala ka ni Hannah.
Yes.
So, and tonight,
Oh my
meron din
God!
siyang,
Correct!
Tonight.
Actually, dito share ko sa inyo, ang first ever performance ko po dito mismo sa Apoteca. And in-invite ako ng sister ko na si Hannah Beshi. And look at me. And now look at you. Look at you. Kaya nandito na tayo. Wow! Thank you, Mouse. Kasi nag-invite din ako ng mga sisters ko. Kaya nagkayan di oro din. Kaya
Yes.
ginawa sa akin ni Hannah. So makikita niyo sila later on. They will show you.
CDO Drag Excellence.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And congratulations.
So,
Tapos ka din.
Tapos siya.
hindi. Sino ditong team Kiana? Yung hashtag mo, ipakala mo mga panya ka, go.
Mga panya, natatakot ako.
Ay, sorry, too soon.
Huwag mo nang ganyan. Mababash na naman ako. Tinatignan mo mga jewelry mo. Wala na. Ayan. Sa mga team Kiana, mag-iyawa! Parang walang sumisigaw sa taas. Sige! Team Kiana! That's correct. Thank you so much. And maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa amin, guys. And sana patuloy niyo pa rin akong suportahan after kung ano man na mangyari, kung ano man tadhana na magaganap. And sana supportan niyo din yung mga sisters ko dahil they are all so talented. Maraming introduce. The dash is pricey, but ayun, kilata na. Ano pa ba? Ano ba sasabihin ko? I mean, overwhelmed. Maraming salamat sa lahat. I love you too.
Ano sa Kiana? Close na ba tayo ngayon?
Mag-camera.
Sabi na mo. Thank you.
From there to here. Tama mali.
Tama.
Dapat naaway para tapo.
Huwag mo kabahin. Lima kami sa taas, taga CDO. Organ kami. Ayun, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you. Salamat po.
But yes, Kiana is now gonna get ready for her performance.
Yeah.
Alam pa natin, she's part of the Black Boy. The bride of CEO, Kiana. Yes, thank you, Kiana.
And thank you.
Ay, okay, dito naman tayo kay, sinong happy na nakita si Verse?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Salamat. Ayun, kamusta? Bet ko may episode? You love that? Oh my God.
You love seeing her again?
Hello, Mino. Okay, nakakalungkot ko. Super. Tama si Simba, wow. Hindi niyo alam kung gano'n niya kabit mag-win. Like, kung ano mag-play kami sa lunch, ano gagawin ka ng win. So parang seeing her like lose,
Yeah.
I don't love that for her. But you know, we signed up for this, so like, yeah.
Yes. So, kamusta naman? Medyo ang dami yung airtime dalawa kanina sa council. Diyos ko.
Yung dalawa din.
I'm just staring eh. Right? Well, sabi ko kasi, nung time na yun, sabi ko, ay shit, di mo ako kapatid ni Mopsy, gusto ko ng show. So sabi ko, ay as
Sabi na mo, taway kami gago.
Ayaw mo ba? Di nag-drag race para walang airtime, hindi gaga, ganyan. Tama, di ba? Ikaw, sorry na
Ikaw, Mix, kamusta ka naman? Parang officially, siya na talaga yung villain of the season. Confirmed na siguro. No?
Am I the drama?
Dapat kayo yung entrance light mo.
Ito na nga yung mic, kanina ka pa eh.
Yung tatlong bulot ng edit, di ba? Kaya, o di ba, ano natanggal si Ver? Ako. Ano natanggal ako siya? Basta ako.
Pero
Ginger
yung
blonde and black.
pinaka-favorite nila.
Ginger blonde and black is giving Powerpuff Girl.
Oh, di ba? So, ako yung bobo, gano'n. Ako si Bubbles, din.
Hindi sa amin ang galing yan, Ten. Sorry.
So Ver, nung nakita mong medyo napatayo na si Maxi, parang medyo yung confrontation ay getting heated na, that time, yung thought bubble mo.
Ano, like, I actually let go.
Hindi siya success.
Sabi ko, ano ba?
Sabi talaga ni Bakla, parang, okay, babalik ako sa TV, okay, airtime, okay, gagawa tayong kwento, girl.
Sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, hindi pwedeng hindi ako lang mababash.
Yung nasa kaso, parang sobrang aga namin mag-ayos na. Parang ninja pa kami na join sa mga kwarto, makeup yung mga bakla. Tapos parang pinag-uusapan nag-peka. Sabi ni Bert, bakla, airtime ako mamaya, gano'n siya.
Expected na namin yun. Expected na namin.
We're gonna feed the children. So, yeah.
And that's why she's iconic.
Yes. Pero palakpakan niya. Picture naman kayo tatlong mean girls, di ba? Ayan, di ba?
Kita dapat si Blossom, yeah.
Ayan, di ba? Ang pinapatawag ng guidance counselor. Yes. Alright, so, sige lang. Go!
Magawa ko naman, go. Salamat.
Okay, but thank you so much for prepare for the next
Salamat
event.
pa.
Thank you, Fer. Thank you, Jay Win.
Pag-imbita sa amin dito. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sige lang.
Kulang pa kayo sa airtime nyo kanina.
Kulang pa sila.
Kulang pa, bakla. Naroon ka dito, diba ka, hindi ako yung ako yung pinuksa today, okay na tayo.
Okay na.
Happy tayo doon, no?
Okay na, okay na. Gusto ka na nila, hayaan mo na. Let it end
Ladies and
there.
gentlemen, Marina Summer.
Okay, thank you, Jay Quinn. Okay, dito naman tayo. Punta naman niyo yung Miss Jade. Miss Jade. As somebody who won episode 9, let's not forget, nanalo si Jade ng episode 9. Anong masasabi mo sa mga performances tonight?
I just noticed na ang mga last Rue batch ay nakakuha ng mga trans.
Trans Power episode 9.
Angel from season 3. Miss Jade from season 2. Miss Jade? And lastly, Miss Marina Summers from season 1. Alam mo kasi nung nasa US kami, komento ko lang a little bit. Nakita ko yung bag niya. Nilagyan ko ng dial. Tapos, kumpleto siya, like bagong banig. Binalik niya sa akin kalahati na. Ayan na siya, may balakang siya ngayon. Yeah!
Kasi malamig dun sa, diba? Akala ko anti-histamine. Kaya pala iba yung nangati sa akin.
But, yes.
Yes. And, ang saya kasi,
the challenge.
music video winners.
Ano yung music video?
Yung sa kanila, hindi music video.
Yung sa amin, oo.
Sa amin.
Yes. And Marina, of course, isang mabilis ang stopover, highlights ng episode for you.
Oh, honestly, that was one of the best group performance I have ever seen. And it's so hard for me to give compliments. So ang ganda-ganda. One of the best ones I've seen across all franchises. Let's be real. Ano pa ba? Also, I just want to say, isa sa mga sinabi ni Kalat Karen na sana proud kami ng sa kanya. Yes, we are. We are so proud of Mama Paus. Sana magtuloy-tuloy sa mga next seasons.
Of course.
And congrats to Mama Pao and the styling team this season. Yes. The styling team ba?
Hala.
Okay, palakpakan natin Miss Jade Soy, Marina Summers, everyone. Yes.
Oh, don't forget na lahat ng bibili ng merch ay may free meet and photo with me because I'm not included in the meet and greet. Thank you.
Sure, okay.
All
Thank you
right.
everybody. Have a great night.
Thank you. We're gonna take a quick break and then we'll be back with performances. Thank you. DJ, play that track. I know merong pila. First of all, how are you?
Girl, finally, pwede ko naman tayo Slay Akla out in public.
Alam mo, kaderong stay akla, di ba?
Sobra.
We had, we had the honor of seeing them perform at nung rap party.
Diba? Sabi niya, diba?
Correct,
Tama.
diba? We had the honor of watching it nung rap party at doon pala, kasi like, first performance, technically, after the mismong challenge, na-LSS na ako. So finally, pwede ko siyang kantahin in public.
Correct. Nasa streaming platform sa bahay, stay akla, wala pa ata. Pero my God, sino nitong nalulungkot na matatapos na ang season 3? So, wala na tuwing Wednesday. You cannot run from your problems anymore. You cannot use Drag Race as an excuse anymore.
Sayang
Okay?
naman.
Okay? So,
Like, pwede yung gawin, after ng episode 10, next week, manood kayo ulit ng episode 1, season 1, tapos every Wednesday yun na siya panoorin.
and then while you do that, panoorin nyo na rin ulit yung podcast namin every week, okay? So, ang guest natin bukas, meron kaming exit interview with Zimpaling tomorrow. So, uploading that on Sunday.
Yes.
And we have a guest recapper. Sino? Sino nga ba? EDC Versex. So,
So
yes.
if y'all miss Versex on your TV or in your ears, you'll be having her recapping the episode with her on uploading Sunday.
Correct. So, uploading Sunday. So, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta ng aming podcast. And the podcast will continue to happen even after Drag Race Philippines. So, we have weekly programming. Hintayin nyo na lang. We started it with Hanash already,
Yup.
with Tita Baby. So, yeah. So, let us start. Are we ready for more drag, everyone?
So I guess the second set, we can kind of call it regional drag excellence.
Yes! Regional Drag Excellence. Tama ka dyan. Sino ang ating unang performer?
First up is also returning this episode, the people's princess, our queen of comprehension, our DepEd secretary,
The one and only Judy Bota!
In the usual morning lineup, start the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polishing wax, do laundry and mop in China. might just let me go.
That's the ending. That's the ending.
Wala mo ka lang kayo, Ibota!
Good night, Yudi.
Alright, sabi ko, mag-walkout ba siya ulit? Parang, yung boobs, kailangan na naman to, Disney R18. Oo. Diba? O, nag-picture tayo dito, ang ganda ng outfit. Ayan, yan ang i-post nyo, huwag nyo may paubong. Okay, go. Okay, pose, pose, pose.
Hold.
Ayan, diba? Ayan. Mabait pala siya pag may camera.
Wow!
Oh, okay. Oh, picture. Diba? Giving you pink and yellow. Parang sapin. Yes. Oh, yan. O, diba? Picture ulit in 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Yuri, since Kiana is bringing her CEO sisters over, do you want to give any shout outs to any of the Bacolod girls you think deserves to be on season 4?
Hello, my love. First of all, I can't wait sa next girly sa season 4. I feel like she's already preparing. So, let's just say nasa house ko siya. Ano? I heard something, pero hindi siya. I heard someone say, name. Sino nagsabi?
Alam, may naghahanap na naman ng gulo.
Hindi siya. She's not the one.
Sino?
Si Claire?
Wala! Pero,
Mix ice.
ayun, I can't wait for the girls. Kasi kami ni Moy, kaano siya ni Delisha, si Drag.
Yeah, drag.
Kasi siya, kami yung representation sa Bacolod. So, yun I hope the other girls won't walk out. Kasi sabi nila sa akin, we just know, you're just gonna walk out, girl, if you're tired. Well, shit.
At least true friends sila, kilala ka nila, di ba? Yes, palakpakan natin yung Ipota. And more importantly, bigyan nyo ng pera si Yudi.
I-ROI niyo po ang kanyang yardang tela.
30 yards, girl, just go.
Alright, again the mic.
Ito yung ano niya, ballgang deconstructed.
Wait lang, let me do a shout. Binigay ko ng fan, so sabi ko, sabi ko napansin na cancel, so hindi ko na. So here we are, kasi wala na akong damit, yes. Oh, do it Hello guys, hello.
Palakpakan na lang natin yung Ipota. Bigyan the mic. Okay, and po ang kanyang QR.
Give your tips to the bota para hindi siya mag-walk out.
Correct. Pero may sobrang daming moments this season, right? And naalala ko yung nag-trending ka sa Twitter nung episode 2 nung dinefend mo si Yudi.
Yeah.
Diba? That was a great moment. Pero patapos na lahat.
Girl, it's been a wild, however many months.
Correct.
Since we got our casting letter, since we started preparing, since we filmed the show, and
Yes.
then the months of waiting for it now, and I can't believe it's almost done.
Yes. So, ang susunod niya, sino sa tingin nyo ang kailangan na mag-All-Stars Philippines? Sino?
Di ba pwedeng mag-ano muna ako, mix DJ search ganun?
Mix VJ search. Okay. So, ayan po, going once, going twice, ang tips kay UD. Okay. Sarap. Tama. Correct. Ang dilim yung magbigay ng tawa ng tip, parang dahan-dahan like, ito. Sige. Okay na. Napaka-solemn ng mood. Palakpakan natin yung Ipota.
Right? Kasi nagkasya to pang riban. Thank you.
Thank you.
Makukuha niya yung mga damit niya galing Bacolod ulit.
Correct. So, ang ating sunod na segment tonight, I think it's really a great display of CDO drag. Okay? So, of course, sisimulan natin ang segment nito with the CDO queen who started it all.
Hannah!
Our currently still Miss Congeniality. We will find out kung kanina ipapasa yung prom next week. But for now, it is Hannah Beshi!
Ayun siya, ayun siya. Hey.
If I should stay,
Hey.
I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Will always love you. My darling, bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye.
Pati sa CDO, uso mag-walk out.
Oh, Hannah Beshi, huy!
Hello everyone! Hello, my name is Aray Pumiyamihan.
Padaanin nyo! Padaanin nyo!
Wait lang, dito sa gitna para maganda yung entrance. Hello everyone! I am Hannah Beshi, your host for this segment, The Caravan presenting CDO Drag Expo. So, dinala namin ngayon ang mga sisters. Thank you so much, Bounce and Nick.
Of course.
Yeah, so for the information of everyone, last Beginning, dinala ko dito si Kiana and Maharlika, and they gave one of the most show-stopping performances in the Beginning.
Girl.
And now, dinala namin ngayon, hiningan ako dun sa performance ko, fairness. So,
Nakakapagod mag-walk out.
oo, hindi siya in-expect. So, this time, represent namin ang mga sisters namin. Kasi yun yung culture namin ngayon nila. Once na may mabigyan ng spotlight, i-share sa mga sisters. Di ba? Tama?
And like Kiana, you never know. Baka isa sa kanila or both umabot next season,
Kasi
di ba?
nga, ito nga, Mix, I'm uplifting the community.
Buti ka pa.
Hindi lang ikaw. Oh my God, so, can I introduce my sister?
Of course.
Okay, everyone! Kasi nga panglapakan ha. Fresh from CDO presenting Marcella and Miss One!
When you go down, this is my
guys.
And then, Hannah, who's next?
Okay! Ang susunod, the Oriental Fashion Doll, the House of La Fea, my sister.
Miswa.
Introducing Miss Wa!
Palakpakan niyo naman ang Studio Drag Excellence.
Yan! Ano ba Marcella? Asa na siya?
Sige. Introduce mo naman ang background, how are you related?
Okay.
Kayo, yes.
Ayan. So, just a quick. Basta, madaling sorry. Madaling story. Sa CDO, balik kami 3 houses. Then, nag-perform sa isang bar. 3 houses na yun ay House of La Fea, which is my house. Ang house ni Kiana, which is Drag Lords. And ang house ni Marcella, which is the House of Supreme. Ayan. So, Marcella and Miss Wa, introduce yourself. Go, Marcella.
Hi everyone!
Okay, sige. Okay. Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Marcella from the House of Supreme.
Very Kiana coded.
Blood type, credit card number, sorry.
Sige, next. Miss Wa.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Wang. And it's nice to meet you. Anyway, I am the Oriental Fashion Doll from Cagayan de Oro. And I put the Oriental in the Samis Oriental.
And girl, when she says fashion doll, she means Queen's fashion doll. Like,
Exactly.
Pinafollow ko si Miss Mo since last year, and nung Pride season, naglabas talaga siya ng monochromatic look for every color of the rainbow, at siya gumawa ng lahat.
Wow!
And then, obviously, Kids Marcelo, ikaw yung gumawa ng promo look ni Kiana, correct?
Gusto niyo ba? Dapat na. Nakakamay ko noon.
Ay, ganun kami sa CBO, gumagawa ka kami ng mga damit.
Correct.
So, para maano yung mga fantasies namin. So, girls, kung may isang word to describe CBO drag, what is it?
Attractive.
Wow!
Alam niyo ba yun?
Spelling. Paano yung spelling?
Hindi ko rin alam. Alam ko yun.
How about you? Or say, like, alam nga naman natin ang eclectic. Anong word to describe ang CDO drag?
Yun rin sana sagot ko eh. Ano pwede?
Pwede actually, yes.
Kopya na lang sis.
Ikaw, Hannah, how will you describe CDO drag in one
For
word?
me, it's very unique. Yes. Like, kung pupunta ka sa mga shows namin, lahat ng mga bakla may iba't ibang atake. So, it's not like, hindi kami kukunin to each other. So, it's very parang, Wiswa to, Marcella to, ganun siya. Anabeshi to, ganun yung atake na.
I love it. So, ang aming tradition din dito, to the two fabulous ladies here, hold upin nyo sila.
Yes! Ay, mag-tip
Ayan.
naman kayo sa mga sisters ko para
Make
sa
your way to the
akin.
aisle. Go on, mahirap magtanong kung may right.
Gcash na lang.
Ang dagdag ng mga
Gcash.
pagkain.
Pang ano yan, pang pamasahe pa uwi, ganyan. So, ayan. We also have the Gcash QR codes of Marcella over here and Miss Ho over there.
Yes.
Tipan niyo po sila sa mga hindi nagdadala ng cash.
Correct. Si Hannah din actually pwede yung tipan.
Pag ako mag-tip, o tip na lang din. Go.
Ano na? Where do you hold that?
Worth goodbye.
Correct.
Thank you po.
Ayan.
Hannah, are you excited to pass your crown as congeniality?
Oh my God, next week naman naman pass yung crowd ko!
So, nasa episode 10 ka confirmed?
Yes.
Yes.
So, actually, ayoko siyang ipasa, pero, kasi parang walang congenial sa kanila eh. Lahat na taray, lahat ready to bagat, no?
True.
So, pero this time, antayin na lang yung look ko.
Ay!
Since may budget na tayo. So, ayun.
Surely yung ganda.
Alam
Correct.
mo ba? So, ayun, like, I'm very excited for you guys to know the next Miss Congeniality. Siyempre, hindi ko muna sasabihin, baka ma-entertain tayo.
Correct. Okay, palakpakan na rin natin Marcella and Miss Wa.
They will continue their hold up upstairs. So, sa mga nakatayo,
Okay.
sa Vortex, sipan nyo rin po sila.
Yes. So, Hannah, ang ating last na, right? Last na. Ang ating last performer of the night, just so you know, mag-full circle moment tayo from the time na, you know, dinala mo siya here to now, fucking top 4 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3. Do the honors.
So, duwag yung malaking ko.
Introducing the next
Pag
performer.
namin napanood yung episode, nandun ako sa likod. Like, parang, oh my God, ito yung sinasabi ko dati na may potential na sumali ng Drag Race sa mga sisters ko. And hindi siya nag-disappoint sa amin. And more than pa sa expectation namin yung binigay niya. So, without further ado, saving the best for last. Sino ang Team Kiana? Representing the city of Golden Friendship, it's Kiana with a K!
Came to win, to fight, to conquer, to fly. Came to
Sister, may sasabihin lang ako.
Deserve.
Di parang message ko lang sa'yo. Totoo yung sinabi ni Kalat Karen na you represent not only CDO but the whole provincial queens sa whole. Na ang ganda lang na ipakita mo sa kanila. Tama yung sinabi mo na hindi lang pang congeniality, hindi lang pang meet out, early out ang mga katulad natin. Iba yung naipakita mo. And ang gusto ko lang na sabihin sa'yo is to pay it forward to the other girls. Yun talaga, yun ang goal natin. Yun ang goal natin as a community to share our spotlight to sa iba. And what ang kaya naman? Kasi like, si Kiara nagsimula siya sa amin talaga, sa show, sa competition na inorganize namin. And from that day on, nakita ko na yung star power sa kanya. Meron siyang ibang grit na wala yung ibang tao. And hanggang ngayon, and I'm so happy na nung time na napakita niyo yun sa amin, napakita niyo yung star power na yun sa inyo. And I'm so proud of you.
Yes. Thank you so much. And that is it. That is it, guys. Next week, we are going to find out if Kiana will be the Philippines' next rock superstar.
Isang paligim. Anong i-expect ng mga tao sa'yo in our finale episode?
Okay, so
To try.
Lumipad siya.
Live singing na lang ako.
Lumipad pala siya.
No, lipat lang, yun lang. I hope, no, sana. All I'm gonna say is now Mindanao.
that is it. Palakpakan natin si Kiana. And baka ko rin siya ng tips. Kiana, ilagay mo sa golden balloon. At palakpakan din natin si kung Kiana ay dito. Palakpakan rin natin si Hannah Beshi for being our special co-host, diba?
Palakpakan nyo ang mga sarili nyo for coming to tonight's show!
Yes!
This is the last week party.
Hindi pa namin sure, but also, yeah, but I also just want to echo what Hannah said about about paying it forward. You know, I know right now it's a meme, it's a joke already of like uplifting the community, but like it's kind of really part of like why we do this. And salamat Hannah for trying to just elevate that parang goal of ours. So maraming salamat. So we're very happy that we get to open the doors pa and share this platform.
Yes.
So maraming salamat for people who help us get there.
So thank you, Hannah, for championing your sisters.
Oy, kwento ko lang sa inyo. Sinabi ko to kay Boss dati na pangarap ko makapag-perform sa Big Anyway. Walang ever. Di ba? Yung nasa ano pa kayo sa publishing pa kayo dati. Di ba?
Sa White Banana.
Sa White Banana. Yun. So, and now na nakakapag-perform kami dito, nakakapagdala kami ng ibang bakla. Thank you so much.
So maraming salamat. And thank you so much, guys, sa mga naging swimming every week, sa mga tao na hindi pagkunahan sa tickets.
Yes.
Again, we don't know kung nasan kami next week, pero abang-abang. If ever we find out what our plans are, we might get like a 1-hour head start.
Oh my God.
Biglang announcement, I don't know, keep your post notifications on, abangan niyo yung page every day.
Mga
For the next
3
few
PM
days. But kung ano yung kailangan i-announce, will be announced soon.
Ayun, may sasabihin pala ako, shoutout lang kay Marcella at kay Miswa. Dahil isa sa mga gumawa ng mga damit ko yun sila. Si Marcella doon sa promo look ko, si Miswa naman ay sa girl group ko. And dalawa silang visual artist. Sila din yung nag-edit ng mga photos ko, silang dalawang miso. So, napaka-talented ko lang niyo yung mga sister ko. Thank you, yun na naman. Saka, si Hello Beshi everyone!
Alright, so that is it. Thank you everyone, good night, and let's see who will be our next crown queen next week. Palakpak!